Okay, here's a short video of our Nissan Juke 1.6 petrol. As you can see, alloys, tyres, body condition, very clean car. Same on the inside, nicely looked after. Sat on Matt's front and back since it was new. Car was a Motability car, and then one lady, private lady owner since. She had it from about 2 and a bit years old up until very recently. That's it, cleaning the boot. A great cracking value, nice clean straight car. Show you around a little bit. Plenty of other vehicles in stock, as you can see, commercials as well. We're up on the Ashby Road, we're in Tamworth. We are here 7 days a week. The kettle is always on. Do come and see us. Thank you very much for looking, and we hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.